This is the day after the 2016 blizzard. January 24th, 2016. And we got about 2 feet of snow. Pretty serious stuff. Taking people hours to shovel out their cars. Mountains of snow everywhere. It's almost, but not as good as the 1996 blizzard. That one was real good. I'm still waiting for one to beat that in my lifetime. That was 36 inches. I want 40 inches, 50 inches. I want snow from November till February, non-stop in New York. Well, the roads aren't too bad. Everybody's driving safely, except me, because I'm using the cell phone while driving in New York. Oh, and I gotta speed past that red light camera. Alright, well, this is the day after the storm. Just wanted to show you guys. Subscribe down low, please.